Welcome to our STEAM Hub. Okay, here we have our art section. We have a nice big studio and a smaller studio where our art teachers can really get into their art projects and bring them to life for their kids. Our music teachers have a couple of different spaces so that they can really tailor their education to the different techniques and styles of music that they teach here. Behind this curtain is a creative space for the performing arts, whether it is for courses or student clubs. We have green screens, cameras, anything we need to get creative. We've built this AV studio that has some new audio and video equipment, and it's going to provide us some really cool opportunities for new courses and projects that we can do here. Here in our science lab, it is a flexible space that lends itself to whatever kind of experiments our science teachers want to do, specifically in environmental science or earth science. We have a lot of natural light in here and the materials they need to complete their experiments over time. The rest of the space is open and flexible for us to use however we want in engineering, robotics, project-based learning, basically anything that we want to create.